In this video, I'll show you how to fix personal hotspot grayed out on iPhone with iOS 26. From iPhone, if I open up the settings app and if I scroll down, he'll get to see the personal hotspot is grayed out even though I've turned on my mobile data here. If you're experiencing the same problem, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to fix the problem, before you do anything, swipe down for the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and then simply go and turn it back off, because this process slightly restart the network system and sometime this will fix your problem. And after doing this process, if you find that you still have the same problem, then here is the next guide. Go ahead and press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the button, and this will take some time and this will restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. If none of these states work, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. Open up the settings app once again from your device, and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and then tap reset network settings, and then put your iPhone passcode here, and then simply go and tap on reset network settings. Make sure this will reset all of your network related settings and it will get back to the default, so you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And after doing this process, 100% your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.